Hey, Midnight Raven here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. Today we're going to do an advent calendar, but we're going to do an advent calendar with a difference. We're going to do a man's advent calendar. So these started coming out last year, and I did one, I believe, last year. This year I have at least 2 or even 3 possible men's advent calendars. The first one is this one, and this one is from Lynx. This is Let the Countdown Begin Lynx one. I got this from Superdrug and it cost me £15. At the minute they're on sale. They're usually 25, but at the minute it's on a sale for 15. You can get these from eBay and many other places as well, but I got mine from Superdrug. So it's 12 days and each door, as you see, has some items in. So it should have £25 worth of value at least. And Lynx is fairly expensive, I must say anyway, so let's take this sleeve off. That way we can get to the box. There is a reference on the back telling me everything that's in it, so if I need any help, I can just look at the back. Like I said, it's very nicely decorated, very man style and everything. So we're going to go through each of these and see what we got, and then at the end we're going to see whether this box is worth the £15 I paid. So let's go for door number 1 and see what we get. So I love the fact that they're doing men's advent calendars. I think it's been too long that men have not had one. I did one last year. They've actually started to do more. So door number 1, this is the Lynx Messy Look Flexible Paste. This is a huge tin. Look at that. Good size tin. This will be for my eldest son. It smells alright. Obviously it looks like this. I've never used flexible paste before, but he does have awfully long hair. So this is from the Lynx styling range. He tends to, it says boost texture intensity, and it's a 6 on the hold scale that they have on the front. So that's pretty cool. Do love the size of the tin though. Nice size tin. Okay, door number 2. We have to play the game of going around finding the doors, which obviously we love. Who doesn't love to search and find? Door number 2. Ooh. What do we have here? We have something that is stuck. As always, advent calendars are designed to frustrate you. So what do we have here? Oh, we have a Lynx travel brush. It comes in its own little case. Look how cool that is. And then inside we have a travel brush. So this is kind of cool. It's different. I can see that it fits in. I don't think I've ever got a toothbrush in an advent calendar before, but it's a travel one, and my son is at college at the minute, so he could use it for that, and he does go away quite often for the weekends and to his girlfriends and that, so a travel brush would probably come in handy. Okay, day number 3. So far this calendar is looking pretty good. Obviously Lynx items are going to be good quality anyway. Ooh, day number 3, we've got a bottle. Day number 3, we have a bottle, and in this bottle we have the Lynx Black Fresh Charge Body Wash. Got a lovely body wash. My son uses black quite a lot. And the smell is usually quite good. Get it off. I can't get the lid off at the minute. And I don't really want to open it because this is going to be his Christmas. But that looks pretty cool. Right, day number 4. Day number 4, we have, ooh, this is kind of cool. So I think it's a keychain. So I want to say, oh, I think it's like a keyring or a keychain. 2 Lynx body. It looks like this. So I believe this is like a clip that goes on your like your backpack or something. Goes on. It's like a key ring. It's kind of cool. Got the Lynx on there. But we will see at the end. I think it's it's a key ring. Okay, so that's different. All right, day number 5. See, that's why we have the little legend on the back to help me. Okay, day number 5, we have another bottle. And this again is in black, and it's another body wash. So I have 2 of these now. So that's pretty cool. Again, my son uses the black stuff anyway. Day number 6 is over here. Oh, and we have a set of nail clippers. These look pretty cool. Look at that. Look, heavy duty nail clippers. Look pretty good. Yeah, pretty cool. I love the black. All goes with the black theme. Okay, day number 7. So it is nice to see that these mail calendars are making a name for themselves. Day number 7, we have black again, but this is the black deodorant. So I love the smell of this. Black is probably my favourite Lynx fragrance of the moment. So we've got that. Okay, day number 8. Would be nice if they did like a 24 calendar, but obviously they've got to have enough items. So this is a comb. It comes like this. It's another travel item. I love how they're doing it for travelling, like that. So this would be good if your son's at college or uni or goes away a lot. It's pretty cool. I love how it's got a clip on it as well. It's pretty cool. So you can clip it in your shirt pocket maybe. That's pretty cool. All following the nice black aesthetic. Day number 9, again, is Lynx. And we have deodorant, again in black. So we've got 2 of these now. Okay, it's day number 9. Day number 10, nearing the end. Got some good quality products though. Oh, and what's this? Okay, so I'm not sure what this is. We will look at the legend. So this is a wristband. Okay. This is kind of different. This is a Lynx wristband. It's like this. The idea is that it goes around your hand, and then it kind of, it's meant to like wrap, and then you have the toggle bit here, and that toggles in there, and then it kind of looks like this. I don't know. I don't think my son would ever wear it, but kind of cool, kind of different. Probably the throwaway item that you wouldn't really mind. Advent calendars always have items that are like hit and miss. So that, day number 11. Day number 11 is empty. Day number 11 is empty. There's nothing in it. Unless it's fallen. Hang on. Maybe it's down here. I think it must have fallen. Hang on. What's this? I think it's here. Yeah, it's fallen out. I bet a lot of people are going to find that. Because there's nothing holding that in. These are tweezers. But there's nothing holding that in. And if you shake it around, it's just falling. So I bet a lot of people found that they thought it was missing like me. So we've got some tweezers. I won't undo it because it's going to be Christmas presents. But nice tweezers there. Slinky and black to go with the theme. And then day number 12 is this big one on the top. This is the last item. This is massive. So day number 12 is the Lynx Gold Arwood and Dark Vanilla deodorant and body spray all day fresh. This is Lynx Gold. I don't know much about it. I've never heard of Lynx Gold. Wow. That smells gorgeous. Never heard of Lynx Gold. Look at that. And you get a full size one as well. It actually smells quite nice. I wouldn't usually spray men's on me, but I've never smelled this before. So that is a full size item. So all in all, you've got the Lynx Gold. You've got 2 body washes. You've got 2 deodorants. You have the tweezers, the clippers, the comb. You have the toothbrush, the keyring, the band. Not so sure about that bracelet. And then you also have the style putty. So you get all of this. And at the minute you can get it at Superdrug for £15. I don't know what it will be when this goes out because I'm filming this in October. And obviously this will go out in December. So you get all of this, and it's meant to be, the calendar was usually 25, so I think you got your money's worth here. More than likely. Hopefully the calendar is still in stock while I'm showing you this. This is October when I'm filming it, but this is obviously going out in November. Obviously you're watching this in November, early December, one or the other. So definitely worth 15. Would I have bought it if it was 25? Probably not. I would have probably paid maybe 15, maybe 20. I don't think 25. I don't usually spend that amount on calendars. My range is usually £10–15 max. But yeah, just to recap, we did get all the items, the body sprays and everything. So this is the Lynx countdown to Christmas. So 12 days of really cool stuff, really cool items, travel items as well. I do love the whole thing they've gone for. Definitely a thumbs up to Lynx for doing a calendar this year. So if you want to see more of these, I will link my playlist for my advent calendars, and you can check them out. We've done 2 other ones so far, and I do have another one, hopefully on the way. If you want to like, subscribe to me, give me a big thumbs up, that'd be good. Comment down below with your favourite item if you like, and I'll see you very soon for another unboxing. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye!